Mike Delta Kilo.
Mike Delta Kilo, roger, roger. What's the name there?
Mike Delta Kilo, roger, roger. What's the name there?
My name is Tom. I'm in Michigan City, Indiana.
Tom in Indiana. And Tom, what radio are you running, sir?
Tom in Indiana. And Tom, what radio are you running, sir?
The Kenwood 440.
Kenwood 440, roger, roger. Now, Tom, I want you to look there and see if you might have your clarifier on. You seem to be just slightly high on frequency, just a skosh high on frequency, and I'm wondering if you might have your clarifier on. You might double-check your frequency also. We're on 718800, 718800, roger?
718800, roger.
Probably about 60 watts or so.
That sounded better, sounded more on frequency there. And Tom, if you're interested in a setup procedure, it starts with you first verifying, if you can, that you're in that 100 to 2900 transmit bandpass mode. We want to be in the 100 to 29900 transmit bandpass mode. It's called wide mode by most folks, but and if you're not familiar, we'll just make a note to check it later. Transmit bandpass should be 100 to 2900, roger?
Bandpass should be 100 to 2900, roger?
Okay, I will check that out and see if I need to change something.
Yes, sir, and that other station, sir, it's not good to be tuning up on an active frequency. Take it 5 clicks up or down, please. Not nice to be tuning on an active frequency. Thank you so very much. All right, Tom. So the next part of our setup procedure is to engage your compressor at a 3. It's a token amount. You'll never really hear it on the air, but it helps us get our band at a 3 dB dynamic range transmit bandpass, 3 dB wide audio wise. So a compressor on at a 3, and that's a 3 out of 10 or 30 out of 100, roger?
At a 3, and that's a 3 out of 10 or 30 out of 100, roger?
Okay, I'm not sure what you mean by that.
All right, your compressor is has an input control, and it's labeled as either 0 to 10 or 0 to 100. So if it's labeled 0 input, your compressor input is 0 to 10, we want it on a 30. If your compressor input is a 0 to 100, let's revise that. If it's 0 to 100, we want it on 30. If it's 0 to 10, we want it on a 3. Roger?
30. If it's 0 to 10, we want it on a 3. Roger?
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm not seeing that on the radio, so I'm not sure if I can change anything.
All right. Do you know how to get to your compressor, or you just don't have one?
All right. Do you know how to get to your compressor, or you just don't have one?
I don't know if I have one. I don't see that anywhere.
All right. How about your ALC meter? Do you know how to bring your ALC meter up and find your mic gain and adjust your audio to 2/3 on your ALC meter? Can you do that?
Audio to 2/3 on your ALC meter. Can you do that?
Tom, might be better we just take notes there, and you can process them later at your convenience. Our setup procedure begins with the compressor on at a 3 out of 10, 30 out of 100, depending on how your input label is on your compressor. Once you have that, move to your AOC with mic gain in hand, and as you say the word audio, spoken just as you would speak any other word in a QSO, don't stress it, just say it, and as you say it, adjust your mic gain until your ALC meter is running 2/3. So that's ALC meter 2/3 by way of mic gain control as you say the word audio, and you can take notes on that and work on that later.
As you say the word audio, and you can take notes on that and work on that later.
Okay, well, I have a mic and a carrier frequency here, so controlled. So I haven't been on very much lately, so I haven't done any tweaking.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Well, if you've got those notes, then you can just work on those notes at your convenience, Roger.
If you've got those notes, then you can just work on those notes at your convenience, Roger.
Okay, well, thank you. So, this is Qso-9MDK.
Roger, I might give you a little suggestion on that mic. I'm not sure. What kind of mic is it that you're running right now?
On that mic, I'm not sure. What kind of mic is it that you're running right now?
Dynamic mic that came with the radio.
Roger, Roger. So it's a hand mic, is that a Roger?
Roger, Roger. So it's a hand mic, is that a Roger?
Yes, it was made in Japan, and this is from the 80s. I bought this thing used about 30 years ago, and it came with it, and that's all I have.
All right, best way to work that hand mic is pull it to the side of your mouth where it actually touches the side of your mouth and talk across it. Do not talk into it, just talk across it. Pull it to the side of your lips and then talk across it, Roger.
Across it. Pull it to the side of your lips and then talk across it, Roger.
Okay, does this sound better?
Yes, sir, it does. You might, like I say, when you get to your EQ, if you have any EQ, I would go plus 2 clicks additional treble EQ if you have EQ. But if your radio is older, it may not have an EQ. Roger, Roger.
Radio is older, it may not have an EQ. Roger, Roger.
Okay, well, I'll try to tweak it up a little bit then.
Yes, sir. It would help you intelligibility to get that mic a little more articulated. So let me say 73 to you, Tom. You have a great afternoon, beautiful weekend. Thanks for dropping by. If you want to hear your audio, if you go to YouTube and do a call letter search for KC9VKV, followed by the word logbook, that will take you to this recording, and I'll have it uploaded by noon tomorrow. Roger?
Recording, and I'll have it uploaded by noon tomorrow. Roger?
Okay, well, thank you. Qso-9MDK, over.
Roger, Roger. Tom, 73, sir. Catch you later. This is KC9VKV, the Friday afternoon Qso-Vlog net. We record now live till 5, so if you have a radio you want to check out, give me a shout.